Hi, this is Paul from Motor City Cars and Coffee. I'm here today to do a short little video to tell you what I'm going to be doing with the channel in the next couple of days. I'm going to be taking out my 91 Corvette during this video just to do a little discussion with you guys. And I'm actually going to be doing an oil change at a shop. I can't get underneath the vehicle on this car. So let's get started. So a few things I'm going to be doing in the next week or two. I'm going to be doing an oil change on a 2013 Traverse. Also, one other video I'm going to be doing is we're taking a trip to Hawaii. I'm going to take pads around Hawaii. There's an area that you can't drive with cars. The rental companies won't allow it. If anything happens, they'll make you pay outright for the car. So I'm going to be taking pads around that section of Hawaii. It's the northwestern portion of it. It's the head of the island. And then at the end of April, there's a car show that I want to go to. Other than that, right now, for this next couple of weeks, I have to find out. Let me know if you want to see any other types of videos. About this car. Last year, I took this out to a couple of car shows, and the very last one, they had some issues coming back. It was sputtering a bit. Did a tune-up. We thought the alternator also went on the car. Changed that out. Got all that said and done. I spent probably a good month trying to figure out why it wouldn't start. But truth be told, sat in my driveway for a month or so, finally gave up trying to figure out what was going on. Took it to an auto mechanic shop, and believe it or not, there was about half a tank of water in the car. So the mechanic dropped the tank, drained it, did a whole fuel system change out on the car, and the cap sits on the gas cap sits on the back of the car, just rear of the back window, and the cap ended up having a bad gasket on it, and which the bad gasket on it wasn't really good, caused water to drain, and the drain hole or hose that was around that area actually was plugged up with debris and stuff, so it wasn't draining. Caused water to seep into the gas tank and couldn't start it. So $500-600 later, started up again. Now it's running a little bit rough. I think the rear injectors need to be cleaned out. Other than that, it's a good car. Enjoy it. Miss driving it. Can't complain. For a 32-year-old car, man, this thing still has some kind of get up and go. Don't drive this enough, especially in Michigan. You got the winters. If I drive this maybe 3 or 4 times out of the summer, I probably have a good 3 or 4 months to do that. So it sits in the garage. It's a garage queen. 32-year-old car that has 77,000 miles on it. I got this probably about with 75,000 on it, I believe. That was back in summer of 2019. Didn't really put many miles on it. since then, because that's 77,100 and some change. Just don't have time to drive it. You know, I'm a 6'4" guy, you know, tall guy person. Not really the best car to be driving in, but it's fun. I do miss driving it. I had a 2011 Mustang GT. I miss that thing. That was probably my most favorite car I had so far. That thing did move, that Mustang. Miss it. Didn't do anything to it, but out of the factory, it was all decked out. It had the race sport suspension on it with the Brembo package. It had the bigger tires that you get for that model year. The roof that had it all glass. Miss it, but this car took its place. I got rid of that Mustang in 2015, and this took its place in 2019. So about 4 years later, you know, I guess it's either an even trade, or I don't know what you want to call it, trade up, trade down. Still, it's a fun car, this Corvette. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. I hope you tune in to the next video, which is going to be in Hawaii. We're going to be riding mopeds around the island, especially the areas that we can't drive with cars, because the other companies would not let you do that. If you did and you had an accident, they'll make you pay for the vehicles. That's my next video. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, again, hit the like button, and catch you in the next video, and hope you have a good one.